Hello friends, as we know that in the SAP S/4HANA, material ledger activation is mandatory. It is mandatory, technically not functionally. So this is up to the client if they want to use it, but technically they need to get this material ledger functionality activated. Without this, what will happen? So whenever we'll be creating any material master or any activity which is related to the plant, so at that point of time we will be getting the error related to the material ledger. So what kind of error we will be getting? So for example, here I'm trying to create a material master for my plant, and for that plant I have not activated the material ledger. So here let's see what kind of error we will be getting. We need to select the views. Let's say here we have the basic data, purchasing, MRP, and then we have the accounting. Enter. We need to give the plant ID, storage ID. I'm using my plant ID in storage location, and press enter button. So this type of error will come that you will not be able to create the material master because your material ledger or this valuation area means your plant has not been activated. Click on the question mark. If we need to get this material ledger activated, we need to run these three transaction code if we want to get the material ledger activated, and after that we need to run this CKMSTART. So let's do these steps. So we have the OMX2, OMX3 and OMX1. So here I'm going to close it and close this window, open a new session. We can run transaction code OMX2. Transaction code is OMX2. Here we need to click on the new entry button. We need to give the material ledger type. So click on the new entry button. Material ledger type I'm giving here, it is up to the 4 characters. So I'm giving here the material ledger type same as my controlling area ID. It is 1177, and this is the material ledger. Here we need to add the text for 1177. Enter. So ignore this warning message. Now we need to save it. Click on the save option. Enter. And select this material ledger type. Go to the individual characteristics. Double click on this on the left side. So here by default system is taking your company code currency, and apart from this currency you want your material ledger to be activated with multiple currency, you can click on the new entry button. You can have 2 more currency. One is your group currency, and second could be your hard or index based currency. So here I'm going to take the group currency, that is 30 because for my company code I have taken 2 currencies. One is the company code currency and second is the group currency that we have maintained at a controlling area. Now I'm going to save it. Click on the save option and we can go back. So this is how we have maintained the 2 currencies. So for example, if I just show you the OB22 screen, we can compare. It is for the same company code. So press enter button. We can't do anything, but we can display here. 1177 is the company code. Go to the detail option and we can just see one is the company code currency and second is the group currency. Now we can close it. And we can, this is the transaction code OMX2. After this we can go to the transaction code. Transaction code is OMX3, and here also we need to click on the new entry button. Click on the new entry button. Valuation area means your plant for which you want to get this material ledger activated. So our plant ID is 1177, and material ledger, press F4 key, select your relevant material ledger type. So here we have the material ledger type as 1177. So it is 1177. Enter, and we can save. Click on the save option. Enter. When we are doing the assignment of a plant or valuation area with the material ledger type, it will also show you your company code ID. So it is coming with the status green. So now we can have the next step. So now we need to run transaction code OMX1. Transaction code is OMX1. Click on position, and once again valuation area 1177. We can select this checkbox material ledger activation, and after that we need to give the price determination. So here we have been given 2 options. One is transaction base, second is single or multi-level. So transaction base is kind of your moving average price. This transaction base to enter and we can save. So here we got the message that after activating the material ledger, the live data must be converted. Okay, click on the enter button and once again click on the enter button. So now we need to run the last transaction code, that is CKMSTART. So we can remove, so this is the CKMSTART screen. Here we can remove this test run. Click on the execute button for our plant ID 1177. So click on the execute button. Here we can give the job name. This is for this is the ML activation 1177 plant ID. Select the checkbox start immediately and then click on the confirm. LP01 printer ID, enter, enter. Job ID this for the user is ready. So we can go and check it. Go to the menu, system, services, job overview. Click on this. Click on the execute button. And this is the job. We can check the log. So this job has been finished. We can check the log. So now you can just see here it is saying that the material ledger can be reconciled with the FI in the valuation area 1177. So after this we can go back and we can try to create the material master once again. So this is a screen for the creation of the material master. So press enter button and again select the relevant tabs. And then we can press enter button. Plant ID 1177. Storage location ID 1177. Enter. Now you can just see system has allowed us to create the material master. So this is how you will be able to get your material ledger activated, and after that you will be able to perform your related activity at a plant level. If this video is helpful for you, please like it, share it and comment, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.